Righty, going to be attempting to pick this OnGuard padlock. This particular padlock is one that I purchased off of eBay. This is supposed to be a super high security padlock. Uses a disc detainer system similar to an abloy. Comes with 5 keys. One interesting feature is one of the keys actually has a little LED light in it. I thought that was kind of neat. This is a fully shrouded padlock, double ball locking mechanism, hardened steel shackle. The body appears to be some sort of alloy. I'm not quite sure what it's made out of, but it seems like it's cast and not machined. It feels a little bit lighter. I know it looks similar to the Yale dimple lock in my other videos, but this padlock's feels a lot lighter than the Yale. So not sure what the alloy is that lock's made out of, but it's definitely lighter. These locks, the people on eBay really rave about these locks, and maybe I can show you what I mean here. This is where I purchased the lock. These locks sell for about $70 plus shipping, and in the eBay auction they go on and on and on about these padlocks. Interestingly enough, this is a multiple sidebar system in the cylinder. Looks like they have about 2 sidebars in them, and they just go on and on. They got the little picture of the dog, and go on and on to say how it's pick-proof guts. So they're saying that it's actually pick-proof, that it can't be picked, and theft deterrent and drill resistant and blah 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 blah. Just goes on and on and on. So in any case, that's what I'm going to be picking today. So without any further ado, I'll set those keys aside and get to picking this thing. Actually, put some music on.
nothing lasts forever. April 30th, AOL Radio partnership with XM will still be able to listen to all the AOL stations for free, but the XM channels will no longer be included with AOL Radio. For a limited time, XM is offering an introductory offer for AOL Radio listeners who subscribe to XM Radio Online, so you can continue to listen to XM. To find out more, just click on the banner on your radio player or go to xmradio.com/radio.
And there you have it. About 7 minutes and 53 seconds with the description and explanation. That's the OnGuard high security disc detainer padlock picked open. So yeah, definitely I guess you could say pick resistant, but they can no longer claim pick proof, because there it is on camera, picked open. I believe that's probably a YouTube first. So rate it and let me know what you think.